Hello student, how are you this morning? I hope you are fine, you are okay, you are well. Super. Okay student, today we will continue our lesson about advanced PowerPoint. It's in unit 6. And especially today, I will teach you about inserting chart and table, creating hyperlink and reusing slide. Okay student, continue the next slide. Okay, you can see here, inserting chart and tab. Okay, the first step to insert chart. You can see here. Click Insert tab, Illustration, and Chart. Dialog box appear like this one. You can see here, Start. You can see here have the number. So, the chart according to this number. Dan dia sesuai dengan number yang di sini. Ya, dia menyesuaikan dengan di sini. Okay, we can continue the next slide. Okay, the step to insert table. Click to insert table. Click on Insert tab, Illustration, Table, dialog box appear. You can see here. And when you click table, the have dialog box like this. You can fill how many number of column you want, how many number of row you want. Type here. And if you type here 5, here 2, so have like 5 columns, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 row. Row baris. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, student, we continue. Click. Okay, insert creating hyperlink. Creating hyperlink. Follow the step. Okay, you can see this. Follow the step to create hyperlink in Microsoft PowerPoint. Select the word or sentence which is to be made a hyperlink. Click Insert. Link group hyperlink option. Later have this. Have dialog box like this. You can choose one of the file when you click this one. Okay, the next, reusing slide. The step are, can you click this? Click Home, Slide, and New Slide, Reuse Slide. Okay, have here, okay. And later have like this. Dia akan muncul mau file yang mana akan mau kamu gunakan. Okay, that about our lesson today. Okay student, now we continue directly practice in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, you can see this one. The example student. The example, just now we want to insert chart or table. We make new one. Buat yang baru kita. Okay, now we want to insert chart. You can see here, and here insert chart. Then click Insert. After that, you search chart. This one. You can see this chart. Okay, click Add here. So many options here. You want to choose one? Choose. Example this one. And then click OK. Okay student, after you click, have here like table. Okay, you can type here. Okay. You can see here this one, category 1, category 2, the next category 3 and 4. Student, you can see here category 1 until 4. You can see here. Okay, and this one, and then series, you can see here series 2, this one, and series 2 is brown, and series 3 gray. So if you want to type here, example student, series 1, category 1, in this one, okay, series 1 blue. You can see 4 4,3, 4,3. Maka di sini. You want change this to be 5, the example 5. Ya, we enter. Ya, look at it. Dia berubah. Change ya to be 5. The example this one. Coba kita try. Category 1. Ya, kid. And series 3. This one ya, kid. One ya, kid. Nah, kita perbesar. Okay. We make this one to be 4. Ya, nanti akan berubah kid this one. Ya, 4. We type 4 here. Ya. And then enter. Yeah, look at it. Berubah ya, keep change. So that's how to insert chat ya, student. Okay, now we continue. Yeah, we make new slide again and click this. Kalau buat slide baru, okay, click, and then we insert table. Have table here, kid. You can see this. Yeah, click this one. Yeah, you can choose how many column and how many row you want. Example, 6 or 5 row, 5 column and 4 row. Ready? Okay. You want to insert the table like this one. Insert table. You can choose this. Okay. You can also, okay. Yeah, have this. You want to make 10 column and row 5. Okay, this one. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's the way how to insert table, yeah, student. Okay, student. Now we want to make the next. Yeah, it's a table already. Now we want to make creating hyperlink. Example, student. Yeah, an example. This one just now. Yeah. We type here file. Okay, we block first. Yeah, block first. Yeah, you can see the way here. Yeah, select the word or sentence which is to be made a hyperlink. Okay, select and then insert one, and then get this one hyperlink. Here hyperlink. Okay, click here. When you click this one, later dia akan membuka file yang mana? Up to you, kid. The example I choose this. The example I choose. Nanti dia akan diklik filenya, dia hyperlink akan terkoneksi ke the example, yeah, this one graphic example, yeah, kid. The example. Okay, we click okay, kid. Click this one. Already choose. Click okay. Okay. Now we want to see, ya, kita akan melihat apakah betul. Kita klik file, nanti muncul dia file yang tadi. We slide presentation. Ya, kita perhatikan ya. Okay, we click this one. Klik. Ya, dia langsung muncul kembali. And yes. Ya, look at this kit. Dia akan terbuka sendiri, graphic organizer-nya, student. Itulah dia memiliki hyperlink. Jadi, when we click the file, dia akan langsung membuka graphic organizer grade 3. Okay, that's how to make hyperlink. Okay, the next, we want to make the reusing. Yeah, this one. Reusing slide, menggunakan kembali slide. Okay. The example, we want to make new slide again. Yeah. And we want to make reusing. Yeah. Click home, slide, new slide, and reusing it. Yeah. Click home, slide, new slide, and have here. You can see here small arrow. Okay. Kita klik and have here the name of reuse slide. You can see this. We click. I have here. Now browse. Cari yang mana akan mau dipakai. Oke. Example, we browse. Kita mau gunakan slide yang sudah ada. Di example seperti yang di Milky Way mungkin ya, this have many ya. Nah, this one open ya, this kita mau gunakan yang ini contohnya ya, kid. So that's the way how to reuse slides, student. Okay, student, I think enough for today our lesson. Thank you for your attention. If I remind you again, yeah, today we have studied about inserting chart and table, creating hyperlink, and reusing slide. Nice to see you again. Bye bye, student.